Detachable steel bicycle basket with mesh bottom for smaller, loose objects. Weatherproof steel construction with removable handles for convenient carrying. Stay safe without fretting over balancing your belongings. Easy to install on any bicycle, no tools required. Dimensions: H, 9.5 xW, 10.5 XL, 14. Top reviews from the United States. Great. But there's a trick. Read on. It's clever. This basket will arrive with two parts inside. The basket itself and a mounting bracket. Bracket install in 2 seconds by hooking it over handlebars and securing it with the hook and loop fastener. Then I put the basket gently on and went for a ride. Basket fell off 3 times. There is a way to lock it on, easily. Pick up the basket using the handles in the upright position. Set it down on the bracket and then lower the handles and it will lock into place. Perfect. Clever and so simple. But you have to know the trick.